Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Madhulika and Geenal, for joining in. Let me very quickly share with you. We are on chapter number 8 from the book by Tony Robbins, Awaken the Giant Within. Chapter number 8 is about questions are the answer. So far, what we have read, I would like to share 3 points from there. Number one is the quality of your life is determined by the quality of questions you ask yourself. जो हमारा ब्रेन है ना, it is like a search engine. It finds answer to whatever we ask. So if you ask a poor question, you get a disempowering answer. For example, अगर आप अपने आप से पूछते हो why me, तो आपको हमेशा यही पता चलेगा कि हाय राम, मैं बेचारा अबला नारी, right? On the other hand, जब आप पूछते हो what is good in this for me, your brain will automatically start finding the positive part of the situation, no matter how bad the situation is. That brings me to point number 2, that is disempowering questions drain your energy. जब आप questions पूछते हो why me or why does this always happens to me, it only increases your pain and your confusion. They keep you stuck in the negative emotional loops. On the other hand, if you keep on asking yourself ki what's great about this problem, basically iska pura just around this hi hai. Yet third point yahi hai ki the empowering questions shift your state. Whenever we shift our state, that is when shift our state to empowering state, then only we are going to find the happiness and joy of life. But asking better questions means like जैसे अभी मैं बोल ही रही हूँ दैट व्हाट्स ग्रेट अबाउट दिस सिचुएशन और ये प्रॉब्लम, ये हमने कल रात को भी ये किया था गौर गोपाल दास की बुक में, एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज कमिंग व्हाट वी आर रीडिंग अराउंड इन दिस चैप्टर एज वेल. So whatever you focus on brings about. We change our focus, emotions, and ability to act, and it happens so. जब जब आप अपने आप को कहोगे कि I always keep on telling, and we have had couple of one-on-ones channel wherein I have shared with you कि जहाँ हम फोकस करेंगे वही चीज एक्सपैंड हो जाएगी. अगर हम नेगेटिविटी पे बात करेंगे, like I shared in yesterday's session as well, it is going to expand there as well, right? So that is something that we have read so far. Today we are going to move ahead in this. And let me very quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read the chapter together. Problem-solving questions. The key then is to develop a pattern of consistent questions that empower you. You and I both know that no matter what we are involved with in our lives, there are going to be times when we come up against these things we call problems, the roadblocks to personal and professional progress. Every person, no matter what station of life they have achieved, has to deal with these special gifts. The question is not whether you are going to have problems, but how you are going to deal with them when they come up. We all need a systematic way to deal with challenges. So realizing the power of question to immediately change my state and give me access to resources and solutions, I began to interview people and ask them how they got themselves out of problems. I found out that there are certain questions that help to be somewhat consistent. Here is the list of 5 questions I use for any type of problem that comes up. And I can tell you that these have absolutely changed the quality of my life. If you choose to use them, they can do the same for you as well. I will never forget one of the first times I used these questions to change my state. It was after I had been on the road almost 100 days out of 120. I was utterly exhausted. I found a stack of urgent memos that had to be responded to from executives of a variety of my companies and a list of 100 phone calls that I had to return personally. These were not calls from the people wanting to visit with me, but important calls to some of my closest friends, business associates, and family members. I lost it right then and there. I began to ask myself some incredibly disempowering questions. How come I have no time? Why don't they leave me alone? So, what were the 5 questions? This is very empowering, and I would love for you to take a screenshot of this screen and sit with yourself today and ask yourself these questions as well. Question number 1 is the problem solving questions. What is great about this problem? Question number 2, what is not perfect yet? Question number 3, what am I willing to do to make it the way I want it?
Karishma, sorry for interrupting. I'm just stopping my video, but I can hear you, okay?
Yeah, sure. Question number 4 is, what am I willing to no longer do in order to make it the way I want it? And question number 5 is, how can I enjoy the process while I do what is necessary to make it the way I want it? Don't they understand I am not a machine? Why don't they ever get a break? Why don't I ever get a break? You can imagine what kind of emotional state I was in at that point. Fortunately, in the midst of it, I caught myself. I broke my pattern and realized that getting angrier wasn't going to make it any better. It was going to make it worse. My state was making me ask the terrible questions. जब जब आप अपने आप से टेरेबल क्वेश्चंस पूछोगे then at in all those moments you are going to get even more terrible at your emotional state. But if you start asking yourself these 5 empowering questions, you will see that your emotional state automatically shifts. I needed to change my state by asking some better questions. I turned to my checklist problem solving questions and began with, what is great about this problem? My first response, like so many other times, was absolutely nothing. But I thought about it for a moment and realized that just 8 years ago, I would have given anything to have 20 business associates and friends who wanted to visit with me, much less 100 people of such national impact and caliber that this list of friends and business associates represented. As I realized this, I started to laugh at myself. It broke my pattern, and I began to feel grateful that there were so many people whom I respect and love who wanted to spend money with me. Here, this reminds me of, one of the mentors. She told me there was a huge tax that she had to pay because she was earning in crores. She started earning in crores. And she was like, क्या यार इतनी मेहनत करके हम लोग 1-1 करोड़ रुपया 2-2 करोड़ रुपया कमा रहे हैं एंड देन वी आर गिविंग इतना सारा टैक्स. व्हाई इज दैट? इतना नहीं देना चाहिए एंड दिस एंड दैट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स ऑनलाइन है तो फिर सबको ऑनलाइन ही पेमेंट आ रही है. And then she was like, oh God, what do I do? And she talked to her mentor about it. And her mentor tells her, Arre bhai, you should be grateful. You can be one of the people who was the highest taxpayer. Isn't this a beautiful problem rather than have nothing to pay the taxes? 1-1.5 लाख से कम कमाओगे तो टैक्स नहीं पे करना पड़ेगा ना. Which is a better situation? To earn 1 crore and pay tax, or have only 1.5 lakhs in your account and not pay the tax? Be happy that you can pay the taxes. And the things started shifting. Abhi wo 1 crore nahi, she makes 5 crores every month. And she's super happy with that. तो हमारे को अगर whatever, I don't know what you or I or anybody is going through right now, but if we ask ourselves what's good in it, I think we can find at least some good in it. Question number 2 is, what is not perfect yet? My schedule obviously needed more. Yes, Madhulika, please share.
By finding good in it, the situation doesn't change. Situation remains as it is. It is just our energy shifts, and we feel more powerful. We feel more positive to deal with that.
Yes.
That's it.
हाँ, so situations are not going to change. लोग कुंडली दिखाते हैं, लोग कुछ भी करते हैं. Does that change anything? No, nothing changes. Only your perspective with the things shift. Your idea about the things shifts. If you know that, so there are times when, you know, my daughter starts acting very angrily and she gets very frustrated, and then everybody in the family starts saying, इसके ना ग्रह खराब हो गए, इसके ना ग्रह खराब हो गए हैं. And since my husband is an astrologer kind, he is too much interested into, you know, grah and this and that. Then he will check the kundli and he will be like, हाँ इसका ना इस दिन से change हुआ है and this is why she is acting this way. Then I'm like, हाँ पता चल गया तो is it that we can change it? एंड नॉर्मली स्पीकिंग आई हैव सीन इफ पीपल गेट टू नो कि हाँ ये मेरे अंदर है, अब ये प्रॉब्लम आने वाली है, तो वो और ज्यादा उस प्रॉब्लम को लेके ना और ज्यादा होने शुरू, हाँ हाँ मेरे साथ तो ये प्रॉब्लम होनी है तो ये होनी है ना, तो वो हो. बट आई टोल्ड माई डॉटर, कैन वी चैलेंज इट? इफ वी टेल दैट यू आर गोइंग टू बी मोर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग सम मेडिटेशन. हम थोड़ी सी मेडिटेशन करेंगे, क्या पता हमारा दिमाग थोड़ा सा काम हो जाए. कैन वी चैलेंज इट? बिकॉज वो नहीं मानती कुंडली में, पापा क्या सारा दिन ये करते रहते, ही करते. मैंने कहा चैलेंज इट ना. बट दैट गिव्स इम्पैक्ट, दैट चेंज हर पर्सपेक्टिव कि हाँ जरूरी नहीं है कि जो लिखा है आई कैन एक्ट ऑपोजिट, आई कैन गो इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन, इट विल टेक मोर फोर्स. बट देन वो इतनी तेज गुस्सा नहीं आएगा, वो थोड़ा सा इतना गुस्सा आ जाएगा. वेर इन शी कुड हैव गॉन दैट फार इन डूइंग गुस्सा, अभी यहां से वो यहां तक ही आएगी इफ शी पुल्स हरसेल्फ बैक फ्रॉम इट. लाइकवाइज जब हम अपने माइंडसेट पे काम करते हैं, वी कैन गो एब्सोल्युटली in the opposite direction in the negative loop. But when we know how to question ourselves better, we have the power to make it an empowering situation as well. Question number 2 is, what is not perfect yet? My schedule obviously needed more than a little fine tuning. I felt like I had no time for myself and that my life was out of balance. Note the presupposition of this question asking, what is not perfect yet? Clearly implies that things will be perfect. This question not only gives you new answers but reassures you simultaneously. So we read about presuppositions yesterday, wherein it is said that don't use any negative word. मुझको गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है मत पूछो, है ना. You can use some other word that is empowering there. मुझे गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है? Can you suggest anything else? What is an empowering question that you can ask instead of मुझे गुस्सा, why am I angry? है मधुलिका?
How can I feel better?
How can I feel better? That reassures us कि I can feel better. Right? Thank you for sharing that. Question number 3 was, what am I willing to do to make it the way I want it? I decided that I was willing to organize my life and my schedule so they were more balanced. And I was willing to take control and learn to say no to certain things. I also realized that I needed to hire a new CEO for one of my companies, someone who would handle some of my workload. This would give me more special time at home and with my family. हमारे को जब पता चल जाता है कि हमारे को चाहिए क्या, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारे इस बुक के बिगिनिंग से हमको पता है कि वी वांट टू रेज आवर स्टैंडर्ड्स, एंड फॉर दैट यू नीड टू हैव अ क्लियर गोल व्हाट यू वांट. एंड Madhurika, please have some water, no? When we have a clear goal, then only we can work towards it. And हमको पता करना है what am I willing to do to make it the way I wanted. Question number 4 says, what am I willing to no longer do in order to make it the way I wanted? I knew that I could no longer whine and complain about how unfair it was or feel abused when people were really trying to support me. अब आपको क्या करना छोड़ना है भी is up to you. अब मैं अगर so if I kept on repeating the same old story कि शादी जल्दी हो गई इसलिए नहीं आया, शादी जल्दी हो गई इसलिए नहीं कुछ कर पाई, तो do you think I would have been sitting here? No? I was not willing to take this story further, so I had to change whatever it would take. कि चलो, let me start. Let me at least take my first step towards it. And that is what exactly is needed. पता नहीं जिंदगी में कहाँ जाना है. Recently I've realized that I don't go out without my husband. Maybe the first point could be, just step out. कुछ नहीं है, सब्जी लेने चली जाओ. Although I don't need to go, just for the sake of it. That would be the first step. Madhurika, do you want to share something? You had a beautiful smile there.
I think you'll feel liberated. You'll feel more powerful. Because sense of independence से ज़्यादा powerful और कुछ नहीं होता.
वो बेचारे मेरे पति को पावरलेस बना देता है. The more I feel powerful.
No, if he feels powerless, if he feels powerful only by holding you, then it's better for him to
To
feel.
raise his frequency,
No,
raise his
see,
standards.
yes, he must. See, if he is also giving his power, that, if it is my responsibility to keep myself happy.
Yes.
So it's his responsibility to keep himself happy. If his happiness is because of this, that yes, he has a possession named Karishma Arora, then I think he's not actually happy. He is just enjoying the possession.
हाँ.
He is not actually happy. He is just enjoying कि मैं राजा हूँ और ये मेरी प्रजा है.
हाँ. This is such a funny one. But I still remember a few of my friends, they used to tag me as a trophy wife. उसके पास वो ट्रॉफी है इसलिए वो खुश है. ट्रॉफी अगर गिर जाएगी तो वो दुखी हो जाएगा. ट्रॉफी घर से भाग जाएगी तो मैली हो जाएगी. And yes, I see a pattern there.
See, you need to look at the world, to see the world through your eyes, not through Neeraj's eyes.
True.
You need to have your own experiences.
Yes. So that's how I see that I no longer need to do.
Right.
Then brings question number 5, that is very important for us to ask ourselves is, how can I enjoy the process while I do what is necessary to make it the way I want it? अगर आप प्रोसेस को एंजॉय नहीं करोगे, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई ऑल ऑफ अ सडन से दैट नहीं आज मैं तो अकेले चंडीगढ़ जाने वाली हूँ, दैट विल नॉट बी अ फन सिचुएशन फॉर मी. आई विल बी लाइक आधी जिंदगी के अंदर ऐसे दबी हुई, आधी घबराई हुई, एंड आई विल बी लाइक. बट इफ आई गो वन स्टेप अहेड कि अच्छा ठीक है, आज मैं अपने घर के पास की शॉप से कुछ लेके आती हूँ, कल मैं रजौरी से लेके आऊंगी, परसों मैं लाजपत नगर जा रही हूँ, उसके बाद मैं द्वारका जा रही हूँ. That is the way I would be expanding myself ऐसे धीरे 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 धीरे, and that will, I think, will be more easier and enjoyable for me. कि इतना ज्यादा अनकंफर्टेबल नहीं है, इतना तो मैं कर लूंगी ऐसे धीरे धीरे स्टेप बाय स्टेप. आई थिंक इफ आई एक्सपैंड माय हॉरिजॉन और विंग्स और वॉट एवर यू कैन कॉल इट विल बी इजियर फॉर मी टू रीच चंडीगढ़ एज वेल. बट इफ आई से चंडीगढ़ जाना है तो बस वो सपना ही रह जाएगा. अरे हाँ, चंडीगढ़ जाएंगे एक दिन, यस, जयपुर जाएंगे एक दिन.
Karishma, what do you think? A bird can fly with half of her wings open?
I have birds in my house and I have seen how they learn flying.
I
And
do have, yeah, but at that time their wings are small, but they
then
have
you
to
have not.
spread it wide. They have to open it 100%.
Yes, ये बात है.
they cannot fly by opening their half
हाँ,
wings
वो
and
इतना से तो खोल के पहले they start
they,
walking.
है ना, that start let's start short flight. They will
Yes.
they will not be able to have a short flight. Even for short flight also they have to open their wings wide.
वो उसके लिए I have this analogy that you have a thermostat for everything. For
Hmm.
you, maybe just going to the nearby shop be opening your entire wings.
Basically, see, अभी जो होता है ना, you're right. It is, the thing is, it should be according to you.
Yes.
People, mostly women say that I do whatever I feel, whatever my duties are, whatever I feel correct. And who tells you what's your duties? That my husband tells me what my duties. I only do my duties. So,
Yes.
again, you are a pet either with a longer leash or a smaller leash, or maybe a without a leash. If you are not thinking independently, that what, if you're not thinking according to you, if you are still thinking with some other person's parameters, that how much is okay, how much is small, how much permission I will get, right? So that means again you are limiting yourself,
Yes.
right? I will, I mean, ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, good, good, good,
No,
good,
it's okay.
good.
Yes, but I get the point. Yes. When I asked this last, the most important question, I looked around for a way to make it fun. I thought, how can I enjoy making 100 calls? Sitting there at my desk did not turn up the mental and emotional juices. Then I got an idea. I had not been in my jacuzzi in 6 months. I quickly slipped in my swim trunks and grabbed my portable computer and speakerphone and headed for my jacuzzi. I set up shop out uh, I set up shop out in my backyard and started making the calls. I called a few of my business associates in New York and teased them saying, really, it's that cold. Well, it's really tough out here in California, I'm sitting here in my jacuzzi. We all have fun with it, and I managed to turn the whole core into a game. But I was so wrinkled that I looked about 400 years old by the time I got the bottom of the list. That jacuzzi is always in my backyard, but you will notice that it took the right questions to uncover it as a resource. By having the list of these 5 questions in front of you on regular basis, you have a pattern on how to deal with problems that will instantly change your focus and give you access to the resources you need. He that cannot ask cannot live. Wow. Is an old proverb. What is this? New start work. Yeah? Okay. Every morning when I wake up, we ask ourselves questions. Every morning when we wake up, we ask ourselves questions. When the alarm goes off, what question do you ask yourself? Is it, how come I have to get up right now? Why aren't there more hours in the day? What if I hit the snooze alarm just one more time? And as you get in the shower, what are you asking yourself? Why do I have to go to work? How bad is the traffic going to be today? What kind of stuff is going to be dumped on my desk today? What if every day you consciously started asking pattern of questions that would put you in the right frame of mind and that cause you to remember how grateful, happy, and excited you are? What kind of day do you think you would have with those positive emotional states as your filter? Obviously, it would affect how you feel about virtually everything. Realizing this, I decided I needed a success ritual and I started a series of questions that I ask myself every morning. The wonderful thing about asking yourself questions in the morning is that you can do it in the shower, while you're shaving or drying your hair, and so on. You are already asking questions anyway, so why not ask the right ones? I realize that there are certain emotions we all need to cultivate in order to be happy and successful individuals. Otherwise, you could be winning and feel like you are losing if you don't keep score or take the time to feel how fortunate you are. So take the time now to review the following questions and take a moment to deeply experience the feeling of each one. And there are, how many questions are there? Some 3
7,
questions here and 7 questions there.
7. Yeah.
Okay. Let's read these questions and then we'll wind up, huh? Our life experience, the morning power questions. Our life experience is based on what we focus on. The following questions are designed to cause you to experience more happiness, excitement, pride, gratitude, joy, commitment, and love every day of your life. Remember, quality questions create quality life. Come up with 2 or 3 statement answers to all of these questions and feel fully associated. If you have difficulty discovering an answer, simply add the word could. Example, what could I be most happy about in my life now? Okay. So, question number 1 says, what am I happy about in my life now? What about that makes me happy? How does that make me feel? I would love for you to, answer these questions. Let's share these answers with each other in the group. I'll be adding you, Madhulika, in the group today. And let's share these answers so that others also know that what we have done. I'll share the screenshot of this as well in the group so that others can also go through them. Okay. Question number 2. What am I excited about in my life now? What about that makes me excited? And what does that make me feel? How does it make me feel? Question number 3. What am I proud about in my life now? And what about that makes me feel proud? What does that make me feel? How does that make me feel? Question number 4. What am I grateful about in my life now? What about that makes me grateful? How does that make me feel? Question number 5. What am I enjoying most in my life right now? What about that do I enjoy? How does that make me feel? Question number 6. What am I committed to in my life right now? What about that makes me committed? And how does that make me feel? Question number 7. Who do I love? Who loves me? What about that makes me loving? How does that make me feel? Amazing questions, isn't it? Did you have any answers in your mind while we were reading and scrolling through these questions?
Question number 5 that says, what am I enjoying most in my life right now? And how about that do I enjoy? What about that do I enjoy? How does that make me feel? So right now, at this point of time, at this moment, yeah, I enjoy reading. So yes, I'm enjoying this book reading club. And how does it make me feel? Yeah, it makes me feel more liberated, more powerful.
Wow. Beautiful. Thank you. Okay. Let's go through the evening questions as well. The evening power questions. What have I given today? In what ways have I been a giver today? Question number 2. What did I learn today? And question number 3, how has today added to the quality of my life, and how can I use today as an investment in my future? Or repeat the morning questions, optional. Wow, this is a powerful question. How has today added to the quality of my life, or how can I use today as an investment in my future? कैसे कर सकते हैं? How can we feel that?
Yeah, it has added to the quality of my life today. See, even if in the evening book reading club, if we come across with some powerful thought that yes, yesterday we have heard it before also, but yes, but when someone tells it gets revised again. That yes, problem is just a word.
Yes.
It's just a situation. If it is not favorable, we call it a problem, and then it gets its size bigger.
Ah.
So it's just a word, it's just a situation that is not being favorable, or maybe it may be favorable, but it is not according to you at this point of time. It is not according to you, what you wanted, what you want. So that is how, yes, that added the quality of my life of that day. That was adding quality to my life.
Amazing. That's a new perspective, and I'll also think on it, because as much as you are learning, so am I. If you really want to create a shift in your life, make this part of your daily ritual for personal success. By consistently asking these questions, you will find that you access your most empowering emotional states on a regular basis, and you will begin to create the highways to these emotions of happiness, excitement, pride, gratitude, joy, commitment, and love. Pretty soon, you will find that when you open your eyes, these questions will fire off automatically just out of habit, and you will have trained yourself to ask these kind of questions that will empower you to experience greater richness in life. Wow. Tomorrow we will be reading about Give the Gift of Questions and the question of a destiny. The question of destiny. Wow.
Question of
Okay.
destiny.
The question of destiny. But yes, today's session has some powerful questions in it. We have first from our plus 5 questions, and then this 7 plus 3, 10 questions. I think we can sit with, if you want to solve the question, any of the problems or situations that we are dealing that are seemingly unfavorable to us right now, we can sit with these 5 questions and work on them. And these 10 questions, I know for a fact, whenever I come, I wake up at 4:45 last every morning. And when I come on my table, I sit here, and this is my scheduler. And the first question I ask myself every morning, I am enrolled in the session that happens 5 to 6. So 4:45 to 5 a.m. I sit here and I jot down, Karishma, what do I need to do today? What are the things that I need to accomplish? And I sit, I reflect, I do my gratitude journaling, I do my goal writing, I do my affirmations, and then I move forward into the meditations that we are doing. So that helps. But now I have another set of questions that I assume are even more powerful. The only question I ask myself every morning is 4:45. चल उठ जा, नहीं तो फिर ये time skip हो गया, तो I will not know what am I going to do all day. And to be honest, if I skip that part of my day, I don't know what I go all haywire. मुझे पता ही नहीं होता कि अरे आज क्या करना है. I just keep on thinking and I don't have anything in my head. So this 1:30 and 10 p.m. have become non-negotiable, तो वो तो याद रहता ही रहता है, but other things I just skip. So collective energy होती है उस time पे, so I find it so much better. Earlier I used to write it a day before going off to sleep. Or even before that, I used to do the entire week together. Saturday, Sunday बैठो, इस वीक में क्या अकम्प्लिश करना है, पूरे हफ्ते का एक ही बारी लिखो, खत्म, 1 घंटा लगाओ आराम से, आज ये कर लूंगी, कल ये कर लूंगी, परसों ये कर लूंगी, मेरा संडे तक काम खत्म होना चाहिए। आई यूज टू डू दैट एज वेल। पर वो ना जर्नल बड़ा स्वीट सा था, क्यूट सा था, माई डॉटर गॉट इट फॉर मी एंड आई हैव नॉट बीन टू मॉल सिंस लॉन्ग नाउ। तो आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग, जिस दिन जाऊंगी उस दिन ले आऊंगी, बट टिल देन आई एम जस्ट गोइंग डे बाय डे नाउ। बट आई सी हैविंग अ प्लान फॉर द एंटायर मंथ, मंथ से वीक पे आ जाओ, वीक से डे पे आओ, तो इट इज सो मच सिंपलर एंड इजियर कि टू accomplish those goals, because I have seen that in the past. अभी एक एक दिन करके ना, you don't know what exactly are you achieving towards the end of the month.
Exactly. You don't have the bigger picture.
Exactly. तो कोई बात नहीं, I'll do that as well. यहाँ पे इसी के अंदर ना एक जगह पे लिख दूंगी monthly goal and then I'll segregate it into weeks.
That's good.
चलो, I had an activity that I wanted to do in today's session, but do you want to do it,
Yeah,
Madhuri?
I'm okay. Just give me a second. Oh, maybe yeah.
Let me open it. So for me, the activity that I had wrote for this group was ask each participant to write one disempowering question they often ask themselves. ठीक है? If you have any disempowering question, अब मेरे को पता नहीं है ना, आप अपने आप को disempowering मेरे को लगता नहीं है पूछते होगे।
नहीं नहीं होता है, करिश्मा सबके लाइफ में फेसेस आते हैं।
अच्छा तो okay, let's write down the disempowering questions for each other. मतलब आप अपना लिखो, मैं अपना लिखती हूँ, and then I'll tell you what is the next step. Are you done?
Yeah.
So am I. Now, next step is to that we are going to swap questions. ठीक है? And we will rephrase the questions into empowering questions for each other. What will it do is कि हमारे को पता नहीं है कि हमारे पे क्या क्वेश्चन आने वाला है, and it will rewire our mind कि जो मर्जी आ जाए उसको पॉजिटिव कैसे बनाना है ये सोचो, right? So चलो, share your question.
Yeah, my question is most of the times, I always think why I did that or why I didn't do that.
Why I can't do that?
Why I didn't do that. जैसे
Didn't-
मैंने ये क्यों किया, या मैं ये पूछती हूँ शिट मैंने ये क्यों नहीं
क्यों
किया.
नहीं किया?
I mean, at times, I always think about if anything happens, I always think about that situation, how that situation could be dealt in a better way. What is the better way? And I think, oh shit, मैंने ये क्यों किया? या फिर यार मैंने ये क्यों नहीं किया? I could have responded this way. So these are the two questions जो मेरे पीछे हमेशा पड़े रहते हैं. Why I did that, and maybe why I didn't.
तो मेरे ख्याल से you can ask instead of that, you can ask yourself, since I did not do that or since I did that, uh, uh, did I learn something from it? Because maybe in that point of time, whatever was your best of your knowledge, you did accordingly, right? But now that you have more wisdom, maybe that wisdom has come to you because you did not do that or you did that. Otherwise, you would not know. अगर मेरे को हर रोज ही सन उगता, हर रोज सन उगता, हर रोज सन उगता, तो I would not know the importance of the sun. No. अगर if I had not seen the night, I would not wait for the sun to come. और मेरे को कैसे पता चला? जब रात हुई तो ही तो मुझे पता चला कि हाँ, दिन क्यों नहीं निकलता भाई। अगर शादी जल्दी ना हुई होती तो मुझे कैसे पता चलता कि शादी जल्दी करनी चाहिए कि नहीं करनी चाहिए? Did or you I did that or I did not do that is not a question of उस टाइम पे क्यों नहीं किया. It is an answer that you have more wiser today, that you can judge कि वो क्यों नहीं किया या क्यों किया. But if you tell yourself this every time, if this thought comes to you, is it going to shift your state? Is the question.
I'll try and I'll let you know.
ठीक है,
है ना?
मेरा क्वेश्चन सुनो अब.
हाँ.
मेरा क्वेश्चन है, every single day I ask myself, what is wrong with him? Can he not be softer, humbler, and nicer to the people around? What is his problem? And this is a constant question that I keep asking. What is his problem?
Okay. I think that is why you are so humble, so sweet, and so soft. Because you can see how discomforting it is to look someone when someone is not polite, not soft, not gentle. The same situation is with, we are from UP. My mother-in-law is like total, she's I'm a manly woman. She's that bold and एकदम कड़क आवाज और पूरा वो. So she used to treat me like a labor, literally like a labor. And being a housewife, I was supposed to be treated. ऐसा ही होता है. हमारे जमाने में तो चप्पल उठा के फेंक के मार देते थे. तो I mean, they were giving me that example. So I went through this journey to see how I can be more humble, how I can live in that situation humbly, calmly, and we can all survive together.
This actually gives me my own questions का answer कि हो सकता है ना कि मैं भी बड़ी एक्चुअल में एरोगेंट एंड ऐसे या वैसे होती अगर ऐसा नहीं देखा होता. बट नाउ दैट आई नो हाउ इट फील्स, I choose deliberately to operate from love and understanding, from being calmer, from being composed. Nice. I like that. Every time. Next, from tomorrow, I'll ask myself, I will tell myself, तुम्हारी वजह से थैंक यू मेरी जान.
डेफिनेटली देयर इज अ कल ही मैं अपने बेटे को बता रही थी कि व्हेन यू नीड अ मोमेंट, व्हेन यू नीड टू ग्रो, व्हेन यू नीड टू जब एक एरोप्लेन को हाइट चाहिए होती है, अभी जैसे जो केस हुआ, द एरोप्लेन नीड अ थ्रस्ट. थ्रस्ट इज द इग्निशन, द पुश. एकदम पिछवाड़े में आग लगा देना, तभी आगे भागेगा.
Yes.
That side of that sort of thing, everyone needs to take a flight. So that is the thrust in your life, that is making you fly.
Wow, yeah. This is such a nice perspective. I'm actually now, happy. And now next time my mom also asks me, na, what is his problem? I will tell him. I will tell her. You know what? I am the way I am because of him.
Yes, definitely. We are learning this because of some past reasons in our lives that we were encountering daily. That is why we are on this path. See, you and me are not running after bread and butter. What are we running after? A way of life. That is what I think. We think it is ideal, it is the best for everyone. So we have to work on ourselves. We have to start from here. Maybe after 5-10 years, people will grow with us.
But how do you like this activity?
Oh, this was nice. This was nice. Good.
But
You
yes,
can, what you can do is, you can make breakout rooms.
हाँ मेरे इसमें ब्रेकआउट रूम बनता नहीं है, बट
हाँ,
yes, the idea was to get people into breakout rooms. In any case, we don't have many people in here in this room either. तो जब तक नहीं है तब तक कोई बात
हाँ
नहीं.
नहीं, वैसे जैसे शाम वाला जो बैच है उसमें दो दो के ग्रुप में ब्रेकआउट रूम में डाल दो.
हाँ
गिव देम 5 to 6 minutes. सिक्स
हाँ.
मिनट्स दे दो,
Then
या
they
8 मिनट्स
share.
दे दो, 4 मिनट्स इसके, 4 मिनट्स इसके.
But where do I get this breakout room from?
ब्रेकआउट रूम्स आप वो कर लो ना, इसमें मोर में जाओ, मेरे ख्याल से मोर में जाओ अपने इसमें.
या
इसमें कुछ कुछ होता है.
नहीं है
कुछ
ना कुछ भी.
कुछ तो होता है. मैंने सीखा था ब्रेकआउट रूम बनाना. मैं होस्ट नहीं हूं ना शायद, इसलिए मेरे इसमें नहीं आ रहा होगा. कुछ तो होता है.
ठीक है.